Add new property. Let me guide you through the property section, where you can manage your customer files easily and efficiently. Firstly, in the property section, you can manage your customer files separately with their name. This means you can keep all of your customer information organized and easily accessible. To send a quotation or invoice to a customer, you just need to enter their file number. This will bring up all of their information, including their contact details and any properties they may have with you. So, it's really easy to keep track of your customers and their needs. To create a new customer file, all you have to do is fill in some basic details. Start by entering the project name, file number, and select the client's name. Then, you can choose the property type, project price, start date, and end goal. If there's any additional information you'd like to add, feel free to do so here. Once you've started working on the project, you can keep track of its progress by setting the percentage completed. This is a great way to make sure everything is on track and to see how much work you've completed so far. Once you've filled in all the required details, click on the Add Property button. Thanks for using IT Land CRM. We hope this guide has been helpful to you.
If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to talk to us or request a call back via itlands.com.